Hello everyone, welcome to the Hot Performance Show here on Kalkine TV. I'm Sage, and today we'll be shining some light on the three ASX stocks with a dividend yield of 4% or more. Investors generally eye the dividend shares since these offer a steady source of income, and such a passive income source becomes all the more significant during uncertain economic conditions such as the coronavirus pandemic. And there are several ASX listed companies that have given healthy dividends to their shareholders despite the challenges posed by the pandemic during the last 1.5 years. However, investors must also understand that a high dividend does not always ensure that the stocks are in good health. A stock's dividend yield might be on the higher side due to a significant fall in its stock price, implying a financial trouble that could impact its ability to deliver future dividends. So here are three ASX stocks with a dividend yield of 4% or more. First up, CSR, and the company is into the business of manufacturing and supplying building products for residential and commercial construction. The company has a history of distributing dividends since 2012. It recently announced an interim dividend of 0.135 Australian dollars per share, payable 10th December 2021. On the 4th of November 2021, CSR announced its half-yearly results for the 6 months ended 30th September 2021, in which it reported a 30% growth in its net profit after tax to 86.6 million Australian dollars. And based on CSR's share price of $4.14 Australian, the dividend yield stands at 4.7%. Shares of CSR have given a negative year-to-date return of nearly 14%, and the one-year return is also negative and stands at nearly 18%. Next is BWP Trust. And BWP Trust is a real estate investment trust which invests in and manages commercial properties. BWP has been a strong performer during the coronavirus pandemic period on account of the strength of its Bunnings business. The retailer continued to collect rent largely as normal, underpinning a significant rise in the value of its properties. And in financial year 2021, the company paid a dividend of 18.29 cents per unit. The company's management plans to pay a similar distribution in financial year 2022. And based on the BWP Trust share price of $4.14 Australian, the dividend yield stands at 4.4%. Shares of BWP Trust have given a negative year-to-date return of nearly 7%. And the one-year return is also negative and stands at nearly 5%. Taking a look at the last stock, Rural Funds Group. And Rural Funds Group is an agricultural real estate investment trust. It is managed by Rural Funds Management. The company has recently acquired a number of cattle and cropping properties in Queensland. The company works with an aim to increase its dividend by 4% per annum. The company has a guidance of 4% distribution growth, expecting to pay a dividend of 11.73 cents per unit in the financial year 22. It comes as a forward distribution yield of 4.2%. And based on the Rural Funds share price of $2.90 Australian, the dividend yield stands at 4%. Shares of Rural Funds Group have given a year-to-date return of nearly 12%, and the one-year return stands at nearly 18%. Thanks so much for your company on that report, but that's all for now. We will be back again with the exclusive Hot Performance Show, but till then, keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market updates and related insights. Sage here, signing off.